Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Fertilise. Just perfect now our Hydrangea Annabelle. They flower from, of course, mid-July right through until mid-September time. Look at the amount of flowers in these ones. These plants are about 4 years old, planted from young plants. By the way, you can plant Hydrangea Annabelle now, but look at the size of them. The size of this one behind. The amount of flower buds on this is only just fantastic. You couldn't count the amount of flower buds on it. Lots out and lots coming, and now we're feeding it regularly with this product here. This bag is just empty now. We're almost empty. This is Flower Max, and Flower Max is the fertilizer to encourage your plants to produce lots and lots of flowers. Brings out the intensity of the flower colour, increases the shape of flowers, and makes sure the plants are overall as healthy as these ones are. So all your hydrangeas, your perennial flowers, your flowering shrubs, your roses, feed every 4 to 6 weeks now with Flower Max to get the most from them. But look at the Hydrangea Annabelle. There are hundreds of flowers on this one here as well. We're finding a spot for them. It's a lovely, lovely clear white and can be planted from now. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.